about canvassing. I made phone calls to educate members of the public of our plight, attended legislative hearings to persuade legislators to do the right thing and stand with the middle class. I believe our values are worth fighting for. I think all of you do too. That's why we're all here on a Saturday. Unions represent workers in many different walks of life. Teamsters represent the trucking industry, NEA teachers, IBEW electrical workers. Our union, the SCA, is very unique. Our members are plow truck drivers, teachers, mechanical workers, corrections officers, nurses, secretaries, accountants, scientists, bridge workers, supervisors, and I can go on. Our members are Republicans, Democrats, Independents, and apolitical. Among us, we have fiscal conservatives and liberals. Our members practice many different religions, are of different races and different nationalities. We are the most diverse union. The members of the Board of Directors need to represent that diversity. What I bring to the Board of Directors is 24 years experience as a union member, experience with many chapter positions, member of many committees, prior experience on the Board of Directors, and my never-ending questions. I'm always asking, is this what our members want? Have we reached out to the members? I'm sure I frustrated our treasurer, Ralph Tilton, more than once by asking, how much is this going to cost? What's the financial breakdown? Is this the most efficient way to do this? To represent everyone's interests, these questions need to be asked, and this is what I do. I have experience on the board representing members. I have my motivation. I ask for your vote so I can continue to work to make our union the best it can be. My name is Betty Thomas, and I would appreciate your vote. Thank you.